Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Gonna look about. That's still shut at the moment. There's a lot of work going on up there, not too many people about. I take it I've shut up for a while. Not when this place opens. Newly refurbished home court. Nearly refurbished now. Not when they're due to open, but when I walk up round and see if Tommy's has any signs of that opening yet. Tommy's obviously start again. Tommy's been one of the favourites, people that stay around here. I've heard several rumours about this being open a couple of weeks. It's not got there yet as far as I know. But then have a look though. Plenty of apartments up this way. Up for rent. One of the apartments over the back probably cost you the same as hotel for a week. You probably have to stop a month there. Here's Tommy's bar. There's no signs yet, guys. Nothing on the door. I just think it's lack of people around here though at the moment. Probably waiting for the Brits to come back. Stuff they usually have on. And I walk up past the Rio Park now, finish off. That happened last Friday. Music comes somewhere up here. That might be Rio. Yeah, pretty sure that's a Rio. So it's a lot better in there now. I've heard a few reports. It was. It's, yeah, it was pretty rough when we stopped there, but to be fair with them, it's before they're refurbished. let me know, guys, if you come over, stop there. I know it's the first few weeks it's open. Let me know what you think. You can tell, probably won't be able to see through the glass, but they are doing things in the entertainment room. It's the front of the hotel, or sort of the back of the hotel actually. Thing about the Rio, they've got plenty of scooter area. Need a mobility scooter. Plenty of charging down there. Let's see some of these hotels coming back to life. You can see the bar area there. I remember that's just one of the bars in there. Another one around the top of the pool. If I remember rightly. It's all back open now. So maybe play and get the other ones open. There we go. A few people going in there. Okay guys, if you like the video, want to see more from Benidorm, that's the one that's coming up in the card now. And we'll see you on the next one guys. Bye.